Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. First of all, this is my first video in the new year, so I'm wishing you a very happy new year to all my viewers. And if you're someone who's watching this channel for the first time, then I think you are at the right place because on this channel we cover a lot of topics related to stock market. If I have to make a couple of points, what are the topics we cover in this channel for all our new viewers, then those are like we teach you how to read stock market, understanding of the charts. We teach you how to understand the price action basics. We also teach you how to trade with options and option strategies on this channel, and we also teach you risk management, and as well as how you can actually stay focused if you are very serious about a career as an investor or a trader, and want to make a living from the market. So these are the things which we cover on this channel, and if you are somebody who's looking for this kind of knowledge for free of cost, you can definitely subscribe to this channel and you can get all this information very regularly. And without wasting much of a time, let's get started. What are we going to do today is we will analyze both the indexes. We will also look out for stocks in this new year which are giving us an entry, and for those people who are following my channel, they know that we always try to catch the momentum, whether it is buying or whether it is selling. We will discover and we will discuss further on this topic once we start analyzing the charts. So let's get started. So I'm a Nifty 50 chart. So you can see this is a monthly chart which I have put, and this red big bar is the corona crash which we have seen in March 2020. From there it was, this is the period where everybody was in panic. Okay, as Warren Buffett always said, that always buy the fear, sell the risk. So this time everybody was in fear, and nobody was even thinking to put money into the markets. And if people can notice that many of the institutions have cashed on this opportunity, and even myself, I have picked up a lot of stocks at this rate because that was the lowest it can get. I was also ready. If it had fallen further down till the 200 period moving average, I would have added, but luckily it had moved up from here, and once this high was taken off, then market went to a new high of 18,400. Still now we are at this same level, and my prediction that it may break this level by budget, and if something is not liked in the budget, then it can come back for a retracement. But retracement is a natural process which you need to understand. If you are trading markets, nothing goes straight up like this. It will always come back, retrace, and then move up. So you have to look at the probability, and you also have to look at the right spots where you have to take an entry. So in a nutshell, if I have to tell you a simple concept about our 200 period moving averages and 20 period moving averages, these are the points where you could have taken an entry. Just a second. Understand this simple concept. Whenever price moves up, let me change the color. This color should be fine. If the price is moving up and there is a moving average like this, your perfect entry will be here. Okay, when a complete red bar is taken over by a green bar. Okay, now let's apply this on a real life scenario. As you can see, whenever market came to 220 period moving average, you can see the first kind of entry setup here, second entry setup here, this is also an entry, and then again once this complete bar was wiped off, then this was your entry for long. A lot of people would have entered here as well. So if you want to make it very simple, take these key moving averages and apply these rules. It will be very simple. Do not complicate your trading by putting so many indicators, so many analysis. Analysis will lead to paralysis if you do it too much. So always avoid that and make it very simple. It's all about probability. Like even if you do a sampling of 20 trades in your strategy, and you are able to make 1:3 or 1:2 out of every trade, then you are profitable. Nobody can stop you to, you know, from becoming a profitable trader. But the problem is that we have so much of noise in the mind and noise around us that you forget to do the basic risk management. So this is what you need to avoid, and try to be as simple as possible in terms of trading the market. So now if we look at this on a weekly time frame, where are we? We are simply in a sideways momentum. This was the downside, now we are upside, and this high is broken, but I am expecting further upside from here. Let's see what happens. This was a very critical place. This epic pen. So this was a very critical reversal here, and after this market has again dipped back into this zone. If this level is broken, then the next target would be this moving average, which is a key moving average, 200 period moving average. Okay, so this is a very critical point for us. So let's watch out for this level, which is 17,800 levels, where it's a critical support level where the market has to move off. If we see any candle breaking about this high, then definitely go for your investments if you're looking for a long term. This is a daily chart. Now let's go to a 3-minute time frame. If you want to trade this market, how you would have traded. Where is the opening of the market? This was the open on Friday. Okay, open itself, this was a critical level because it's a 200 period moving average. Any rejection or close below 200 period moving average, you should only think about short. Okay, nothing. The moment it breaks below 200 in an uptrend, it got rejected here, then there is no other thought, no if, no but, nothing, just short. You would have made, or you would have bought a put, you would have made money. Or if you have sold a call with a hedging of a call buy, sell and buy, then also you can make money. If you want to hedge this as well, buy put and sell another put, which is 100 points away, so you can make money like this. So it came down nicely, and after that it went sideways in the last few for the last half an hour, 15 minutes candles. So 15 minutes and 3 minutes are the time frames which you should watch if you are trading intraday. Or if you are a long-term trader, watch it. Take your entries on a 30-minute time frame, but watch daily candles. Okay, so that's about Nifty. Let's see if we are able to see something on Banknifty. Yeah, this is Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank also same scenario. It is below the 200 period moving average, and it's coming out nicely. And Monday morning, if you see any candle sustaining about this 200 period moving average, then wait for a retracement and then take an entry here. Or at the open, if the candle is strong and 15 minutes closure is happening here, then buy a call and sell a call if you are a buyer. And if you are a seller, then simply sell an out of the money put and buy an out of the money call. Okay, hedge it, always hedge it, and that's how you play the direction without risking too much. Because what happens if the market goes sideways in this, whatever you have bought, that will lose its premium. In that case, if you sell a put, then you will make money. Always have stop loss for your selling position. Selling should be always done with a fixed stop loss. Maybe 20% or 25% of the premium should be your stop loss. Okay, this is fixed. You can sell both sides. One side stop loss triggers, leave the other side to run. That will give you a profit. And now coming to the super trend strategy for the week, where I can see that ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company is appearing there. So let's see if that is giving an entry or not. Yeah, so this is ICICI Lombard. So this is a chart. Let's see if it satisfies the super trend condition. This is our super trend. Super trend, we will change it to 14 and let it be 3. So this is a weekly chart. Weekly chart, yes, it is giving an entry, but is it satisfying all the conditions what we have? There is a 200 period moving average which is not satisfying our condition because it's a sell resistance here. It can open here and then start coming down. So we have to wait. If anything closes above this strong closure of a weekly candle, then definitely it's a good sign for us to catch the entire reversal, because it looks like it's already in a good spot where it consolidated. It made a lower high all the time. Now it's moving up. So now this becomes a critical level. This has to break. Then the trend will change from here to the upside. So the rule is simple. Always trade with 1% risk on your entire capital. That means if you have a capital of 3 lakhs, then your risk will be 3000 per trade. This is how you have to trade, and your profit should be always 6k. Losing 3k is fine, gaining 3k will cover for 2 losses. Like this you have to manage your risk. So any other stock in especially in cash segment, let's see. I'm sure cash segment will have a lot of stocks like this, but we need to filter down to something which is more tangible. Let's go for Nifty 200. Nifty 200 also we are hardly getting 2 stocks, Gale and this. Gale I wouldn't want you to go, because these kind of companies, Gale and all government related companies, wherever there is a subsidiary involved, the movement will be less, and this is a complete volume game, and you will not be able to see much of a movement in these stocks. So this is a strategy. You can simply copy this. Weekly close crossed above weekly super trend 14 and 2. So whenever any candle closes of any stock out of these 5500 stocks what we have, you will be able to easily filter down that stock which is giving you an entry and put your money there. And your risk is always this super trend, which is here your stop loss will be 1271, this 1271 minus 1141. the points you will get. Let me do it and show it to you. 1271 minus 1141. This is 580 points. So if you have a risk of about 3000 by. So if you look at this chart where we have got a short entry here around 1450, and from where we got an exit is here. The candle has to close above super trend. So here it was 1283. So almost about 1448 to 1280, about 150 200 points gain you have got here. So you just have to follow the rules. See, the rules have given an entry here around 1274, exit also at 1400. This candle closed at 1271, so not much of a gain. Yeah, so some trades will be like this. See, this trade would have given you so much money. 1271, exit around 1251. Sorry, 876, 1251. So super trend always gives you long holding capacity, and you can hold it with all your rules and wait for it to change. You can do this on a daily strategy as well. You can do this on a 15-minute time frame as well. But problem is with human beings is that they don't follow rules. Any kind of wiggle like this, always you keep looking at your MTM and you just cut your position. I'm sure this candle breaking this, a lot of people would have cut the position. This is a short entry actually. This is a very good short entry. After this candle closure, most of people would have entered here, then the market would have gone up. They would have been in panic. It went high and suddenly they dropped. So like this. So always go for simple strategies. Create this kind of a screener. It's a very simple screener, and you can always scan for stocks every week. Maybe Nifty 50, Nifty 200, Nifty 500. Scan for stocks which can give you a good trend. Let's see Symphony also. Symphony is appearing here. Symphony. Symphony weekly chart, it is giving you an entry, but no, this is not satisfying our condition, because here again 200 period moving average will act as resistance. You can take a short entry here. You see that whenever it has gone up, this will be another short entry for you, like this. It's in a channel, downward channel, so you can make a short position here downside. Maybe buy a put, buy one put, sell two puts, and buy one put in this direction. 50 points away or 100 points away. 50 points plus 50 points. So do this, you'll be able to capture this downside movement. Okay, so that's it for this week, guys. We have analyzed both indexes, and then we have also seen stocks which are giving us an entry, but the conditions are not satisfied, so don't invest on this. So don't blindly see that super trend नीचे ऊपर close दिया तो लेना ही entry. These conditions should be met. 200 period moving average के ऊपर होना चाहिए, 200 के ऊपर होना चाहिए, price should be above super trend, ST should satisfy, and then lastly one more confirmation is volume, if you see, but volume cannot be the deciding factor. These three are major deciding factors, so keep this in the mind. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something new from watching this channel, and we will keep posting more such videos very regularly, and do please comment whatever videos you want to see, whatever you want to learn. I'll put in my best effort to make those videos and reach out to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.